Imagine effortlessly scheduling calls and handling client communications with the power of AI. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive into building an AI-powered agent calling tool using Vapi, Vapi, and Google Calendar in just a few steps. First, you'll need to create a Vapi account, which acts as your AI agent's brain by providing an intelligent agent capable of engaging in natural conversations. Step to head over to Vapi and set up the backbone for your automation. Design a scenario. Connecting modules. The first module to configure is going to be a trigger. We trigger this by setting up a webhook. This will allow us to create inbound calls. Moving on, let's integrate Vapi in Vapi. Add the Vapi module. Link Vapi to your account by entering your API key and providing essential details such as agent name and project ID. Define the workflow. Connecting to the trigger to start to identify inbound calls for the agent. Next, we'll integrate Google Calendar. Set it up to create calendar events once the AI agent has successfully scheduled a call. This allows you to schedule the time of the call. This also allows the agent to read back scheduled calendar calls. Finally, test the scenario. Initiate an inbound call to your designated phone number and monitor the automation's execution. Ensure the agent responds appropriately and the event is scheduled in your Google Calendar. And that's it. You've successfully created an AI agent calling tool using Vapi, and Google Calendar. It's time to revolutionize your scheduling and communication.